What's up guys, it's Abhi here again with another new video. So in today's video I will show you that how you can be able to renew your car registration online if you live in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Alright guys, so what you need to do is that I'm onto google.com on my laptop, and here you just type simply VicRoads. And on VicRoads you click on this first link, which is the official website of VicRoads. So you click here, and then after that you click on registration, and then click on manage registration, and then click on renew registration, and then here you click on pay your registration now. And then here you click on car or truck or whatever vehicle you have. So I'll click on car, and then here I'll type my registration number, and then I'll click on next. So if your registration is up to date, it will say here that this registration is up to date and you do not need to pay anything right now. Okay, you click on next here. So because my car registration is updated, it's not showing any details. Otherwise, below this page, at the bottom of this page, it will show you what is your registration expiry date, and then you can be able to renew your car registration, right? So that's all you need to do, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Alright guys, this is it for today. I hope you found this little video helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.